Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin came down to 59K. Activated my trades from yesterday, my 4 Bitcoin trade and my spot positions. Those trades are now active. It's already in profit, which is beautiful. It came exactly down to 59, touched it and bounced. We're going to jump into, you can see it here. Bitcoin came down. 64 is when I warned everyone of this rising wedge. It came down, hit 59 yesterday. Huge volume came in and we got a big bounce to 60,296. So it came down, activated my trades, then got a bounce. I did do a review on BNB recently, but if there's many, I'll do another one. You can join everyone in the Crypto Guru chat. There's thousands of you in there. 2.2 trillion market cap, 275,000 viewers on Bitcoin Price.live. You can set up this TV charts as well and have it on your TV, and it switches between different cryptos. Bybit and JCG have a World Series of Trading competition, $10 million prize pool right now for this. If you use this link, this QR code, also the link in the description, Fear 39, Fear and Greed Index. We're at Fear 39 while Bitcoin is at 60K, which is amazing. Bitcoin dominance 53%, funding fee slightly positive, Bitcoin 60,200, and we're getting this big V-shaped recovery and bounce. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my $650,000 account. I'm going to show you my active trades and where I would open trades. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up and turn on the bell, and let me know any comments you'd like, any tickers you'd like me to analyze. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Now we're jumping in technicals. Uni was up 11%. Big congratulations, everyone who bought Uni with me. Nvidia is up 1.6%. Ton is up 1.3%. MCRT 1.3%. XRP 1%. Ethereum about even. Bitcoin 60,289. Getting that drop that I predicted, that rising wedge. I warned everyone on Sunday that I thought Bitcoin was trapping everyone. It's weird that we rose to 64 and we got that rising wedge drop off. It activated the trade at 59. It hit the stop loss actually on that trade, but my trade is active. I didn't set the stop loss so tight. Shit. It made a lower low, everyone. You see that? Slightly lower low. We got a bounce. Now we've got this new pattern forming. Descending wedge is forming now in Bitcoin. Descending wedge builds pressure and can break out now. But we need to see if it holds here, if it goes lower. At 59K, we had major area of support. So it came down and touched a major area of support. It came even lower. It came all the way to 58,900. But huge support area here that we've been for months and months. Let's see if it holds. It pierced it. Let's go into the weekly. On the weekly charts, I teach you how to do all this in the Crypto Mastercourse. We still have 3 days remaining on the week. Bearish week. Stochastic also heading down on the weekly. And we got this channel that you can see Bitcoin 70K, 56K, and now it's activated some trades. But keep in mind, you need to make the liquidation below 50K. It can come down harder. Let's go into Crypto Guru bot on the weekly. Fired a buy in February 2023 at 20K, still a blue buy now. You get it in the master course. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell last week, did not yet fire a buy. Let's go into the daily. On the daily chart, stochastic double bottom turning up. And again, we have this channel, you can see, 60K, it can come down all the way to 50K. At 50K, I have a 10 Bitcoin trade. 56K is also a point to take trades. Where I would take a trade right now is at 56K, stop loss 54,500, risking 1,500, and take profit top of the bull market. October 2025, 268K, risk toward 138 times, risking 1,500 to make 212,000 with no leverage per Bitcoin. 10x leverage will be $2 million trade. That's one trade I would take on Bitcoin, the bigger one going to the bull market, and another one is at 50K, and that's where I've got 10 Bitcoin. Those are the two trades. Now, we did come down and make a lower low. That's important. We went underneath 60K. We went to 59K. And I always say the true price of Bitcoin is actually 58K. If we can hold here, we're going to get a breakout of this descending wedge. If it manages to hold, this descending wedge can take us to 64K again. Let's see how it plays out. Let's go closer. 4 hourly, descending wedge, hourly, and we get a big bounce. Hourly also, that smaller rising wedge on the hourly played out like I said as well. This one at 60K and broke down. Let's see if this is a V-shaped recovery on Bitcoin, which is a good sign. The other ones didn't have a V-shaped recovery. Let's go into my Bybit trades. my $650,000 account. If you want to trade like you see me do, go underneath the video, down below, and you can sign up to Bybit. Underneath the video, sign up to Bybit. $10 million prize. World Series of Trading has started. $10 million prize. CoinW also giving a bonus, and jamescryptoguru.com to join the Telegram and take the courses. And also right now, it's the World Series of $10 million up for grabs. $10 million prize pool. Team maximum 563, individual maximum 1 million. First 10 users get $70 before the 4th of October. I think that part is already finished. This trading competition, the World Series of Trading, goes till 31st October. Link in description, or you can scan this QR code. Trade 50K to go into the crazy lucky draw. Even if you lose, yacht, Rolex, world-class flight tickets. Those are the competition. World Series of Trading has started. And over on Bybit, my account right now is 646,000. So I didn't have any change from yesterday, which is, I went up 3K from yesterday, 643. So I made $2,600 on that Bitcoin drop, which is interesting. You can see here, this is where I had the trades yesterday. Look at this. Bitcoin came down, activated my trade on leveraged, exactly hit my 4 Bitcoin trade. Funding fee is negative, so I'm getting paid to keep this trade. Bounced, and I'm $1,100 in profits. This trade was, I showed you last night on my videos. I should have put the entry at 59 actually. It came all the way to 59, 58. I could have put it at 59 and then I would be up around $4,000 on this trade. But still, this trade was set yesterday. I've got more buy orders for Ethereum, $2,000 per Ethereum. I got 100 Ethereum buy. Solana, I've got 2,400 Solana buy at 80. Doge, 2.4 million at 8 cents. Let's see if those trades now activate. My 4 Bitcoin trade is now active. And also on spot trades, I also, so you can see here, my spot trade on Bitcoin, which I had set at 59K, activated. You can see here, it bought Bitcoin at 59K on my spot. So now you can see my asset breakdown. I'm 42% cash, 20% Bitcoin now, 14% MCRT, 8% Uni, 7% World, 5% Doge, 2% Sui. And this is now my 646, and you can see my holdings. So USDT 225, Bitcoin now I've got almost 2 Bitcoin. 109,000. Let's set another Bitcoin buy at 58. Let's leave it for now. Actually, oh no, 58. I want to make it just even, like 2.2 Bitcoin. So I got exactly 58,000. Let's get 0.25 Bitcoin. So I'm above 2 Bitcoin. So at 58, we'll activate another 0.25 Bitcoin. And you can see then I'll have 2 Bitcoin there. And that came down, activated, and bounced. MCRT 75K, slightly up today, 6.645%. Uniswap up 11%, 45K worth of Uniswap. Big congratulations who bought Uniswap with me. World 37K, slightly down 2%. Doge slightly down. Sui slightly down. So I'm about even on the account actually for the day, even though my Bitcoin trade's activated. It's got now my leveraged Bitcoin trade is now active for Bitcoin and $1,000 in profits, and my spot Bitcoin trades activated, which is beautiful. Let's go in the Telegram right now. There's 137 of you online. Guys, has James done a review on BNB in the last while, or did I miss it? I did it a few days ago, but I can do it again. On the 5-minute chart, don't use 5-minute. Saturday, Desmond, 5-minute is too short term. You need to do hourly minimum. 4 hourly, I would only really trade off. 4 hourly is just to set up the trade. So far, like the order block feature working, judging by volume and resistance. So Uniswap, massive buy volume coming up on Uniswap. Look at that pump on Uniswap, everyone. Went all the way, I think, to $8 something. Jasper. So far, it looks like the order block feature works, judging by the volume and resistance of that zone, also known as effort versus results in week-off theory. Jasper loves the week-off theory. And I trade on Charles Schwab Interactive Brokers, and you can just see everything people talking about in the chat. Let's read your questions, and I'll analyze anything. Super, where is the dog barking from? I have a few dogs. I told you days ago it was a bear trap going back to 63K. It came down to 59, activated my trades. Dogs sometimes like to speak as well. It's true. Let them talk. Let nature talk sometimes. Doge. Why has Bitcoin been moving literally for 7 months? The answer is all the shorts and logs causing liquidations. Exactly. The price of Bitcoin is 58K. And then anything on top of that is just people leveraged up trading. It's my birthday. Happy birthday, VD produced. Happy birthday to you. Can you do Litecoin? Micro strategies. Okay, let's do Ethereum. I want to do Uni actually. Let's go into Uni and Ethereum. So first, let's do Ethereum. 2.3. Wow, it's coming down to my $2,000 activation, huh? You can see here on Ethereum, on the weekly chart, it's on this yellow line that goes all the way back to September 2022, so 2-year trend line. And you can see it went all the way to 4,000, then pulled back to 2,000. We got a bounce off 2,000, and yesterday it came down to a low of 2,300. I have my trade activated at 2,000, that 100 Ethereum long. You can also see we're in a symmetrical triangle. This one here, which builds pressure, and breaks up with the trend. We're trending up at the moment. However, there is a short-term trend down, so really we don't really know where this symmetrical triangle will break out. It's almost 50-50, but I would say 70 up, 30% down. But again, I want to catch a spike down to activate my trade at 2,000, because you make your money when you buy, not when you sell. So I need to buy it low, right? But we are getting a bounce off this trend line. I would keep that trade active like I have it at 2,000. You can see over on my Bybit, I've got that leverage trade set up. My Bitcoin trade, 1,100 from yesterday for Bitcoin, but you can see I've got my 100 Ethereum trade at $2,000. So that trade is already set up. Let's go into Uniswap. Uniswap 8.1. Breaking out of Uniswap, and it broke that rising wedge, which is good news. And you can see Uniswap is in this massive, this chart, this formation has been forming since 2021, almost 3 years, when Uniswap went to $40. Builds pressure, breaks out. And now we're coming to the zone of breaking out. 70% of the move. So I would say even here would be the breakout. 70% of this distance. I would say it could even be here, yeah. Should have already even broken out, but it got delayed by Bitcoin. We got a bounce off that bottom here. $4.70 was a great buy, and now we're at $8, up 100%. Now, does it push out here is the question. This rising wedge is now invalidated, and I would say more we have now this formation forming on Uniswap. We've got a resistance coming up, exactly where we are. We've got resistance, but there's the descending triangle. You see that? Builds pressure, and breaks out. Also, Tesla, the Tesla event is today, 10th of the 10th. It's in 1 hour, everyone. Wait, let's go on to my X. Now we're going over to X, and you can see that 92,000 followers on X bought 100K of Bitcoin in Tesla Day today, 10:10. That was 12 hours ago. 11,000 people watched me. And 151,000 people watched the exact buy on bottom Tesla. Adding more to Tesla here at 141. You can see here I had 196,000 people watch me, and I asked, did you buy Tesla with me at 141? 68%, no, I didn't. 32%, yes, I did. And now we're at already 250. So you can see here, 196,000 people watched me buy Tesla at 141. And yesterday, we're 2 hours and 40 minutes left, so there's 2 hours left until the Tesla 1010 robot day. What's interesting, no price pump on Tesla or movement on the stock before the announcement. No one knows what's about to be announced. The future will be streamed live 10:10 7 p.m. PT time, so it's about to occur in about 2 hours, the Tesla event that everyone's super excited for. No one knows what it will be. Bitcoin spot and leverage trades from the video yesterday activated on this dip. My leverage trade, my spot trade buying at 59K perfectly. Look at that buy. Boom. And my leverage trade buying at 59 and now in the profits, which is awesome. Airbnb co-founder and Tesla board member says, if you think you know everything that's being shared tonight, think again. You're in for a surprise. So we don't know what Tesla's about. In the world without propaganda, everyone knows who the bad guys are. X users are no longer... Kim.com did a crazy poll, 84,000 people. And Magicraft team, there's an amazing event coming, tournament this weekend. You can check it out. And you can just see everything I post and share. Uni was up 8%, which is beautiful. That's my info on the market. Join us in Telegram. Again, all the links are underneath the video. And the sign up to Bybit for the World Series of Trading has started, which is awesome. And you can see some of the gains of people that have... my portfolio hit over $1 million today because of James. And you can just see, bought your course a few months back, bought a Harley Davidson, took your master course. I just want to say you're a genius. You can just see 100 in the process of buying $2 million house from your video. Course is amazing. I'm buying a villa in Punta Cana. You can just see all the people that made gains and $20,000 in profits, which is beautiful. So now I'm waiting to see this Tesla event in 2 hours. I'm going to watch it live. Watch it live with me. I'll share it on Twitter and we can talk and watch it and comment on X while it's live. Big congratulations on those Bitcoin buys at 59K, and the leverage buy, that was a great entry. Let's see if Bitcoin holds here and pushes out, or if we get that go low to 50K. Make sure your liquidations are below 50K. I will add more Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoin trade at 50K. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. I'm very excited about this Tesla day. A lot of people are waiting. Usually I buy the rumor, sell the news, but I'm not going to sell the news on this Tesla event because no one knows what the news is, and I think they're going to announce something amazing. We're already up. We were buying it at 141. I went massive in. Now we're at 250. So we're talking $100 gain, or about 80% gain. So if you put 1,000, you have 1,800. If you put $100, you have 180. If you put 10 million, you have 18 million. If you put a billion, you have 1.8 billion. If you put 100 billion, you have 180 billion. Big congratulations, everyone that bought Tesla and those Bitcoin longs, already in profits from yesterday. If it's big money for you, take profits. Make sure you don't trade more than 5% of your capital on any one trade. Love you all, everyone. Have an amazing day. Take the courses, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.